All right, I want to make a quick video just reminding us how to get logged into CodeCombat. Best way to do that is just type in codecombat.com, or you can just search for it. And when you get here, remember, you're going to want to click in the login in the upper right. Now, usually you can push this little sign in with Google, and if you do that, as long as you're logged into your school account, it should work just fine. Sometimes though, like it does on my account, I get an error, and for me to log in, I have to use my Gmail account that I made it with my you might be able to log in using your school account. Type in your password, and then you will get logged in. Cool. And then you should be able to just continue whatever it was that you were working on. See, I'm on level 16, Master of Names, and you also should have a game development on there that's probably level 1. Our goal is to finish this one this week, and if you can, try to get to level 7 on game development as well by the end of the week. That's kind of what I like us to be working on. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or log on to one of my office hours times, and I can do my best to help you out with what's going on. Good luck.